Good day, everyone. I am Edwin Cabibil, and an alternative learning teachers of the Division of Iligan City. It is an honor to stand before you as someone who believes in education for all. I teach in Philippines, a country where education is highly valued but not always within reach. Many learners face poverty, distance, or personal struggle that stop them from finishing school. I choose to teach ALS because I believe education is not just for a privilege. It is the right for everyone. ALS give people a second chance, a doorway to hope and opportunity. Being an ALS teacher is never easy. It is a journey of patience, sacrifice, and sometimes rest. We teach learners from different walks of life. Some battling poverty, others struggle with addiction, or even those inside jail. Yet, in ALS, they are all treated as learners because education has no boundaries. Our classrooms are found anywhere, under the mango tree, in a waiting shed, inside a barangay hall, in remote community, or behind prison wall. Despite these challenges, our heart remains full because we see the determination in every learner's eyes. Our mission is clear: to help learners improve their lives, continue their education, and gain skill to find decent job. But more than teaching literacy, ALS restores dignity, hope, and belief that everyone can still change their future. This belief inspired my research, ALS as an ethical education. In it, I argue that ALS is not only about reading and writing, it is about responsibility, justice, and human dignity. As I pursue my doctoral study, my goal is to strengthen ALS as a truly transformative model of education. So I continue to inspire and uplift learners across the Philippines. At the end, AL is not just a program. It is a mission of hope, and while we face many sacrifices, what remains is our love for teach and our firm belief that every learner deserves a chance.